Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Urvee and today let me show you. Oh my god. This is the makeup skincare I have received in the past 20 days in October. And I want to show it all to you guys. So let's go. So I'm not going to lie, all of these products, some of them I've received in PR, some of them I've bought it by myself. So I'm just going to tell you which I've bought it, and maybe we can, see what are the new launches, what's happening in the beauty makeup space. If you love makeup beauty, you are definitely in for a treat. So without further ado, let's get started. So I was again running out of cotton pads. I immediately ordered the Miniso ones. I feel like these are like the most affordable yet of good quality. I got these. There are 180 pieces for 200 rupees. This will last you for months and months. So if you're interested, I know Miniso stores are open, but like I'm not really going out anywhere, so I just got these from Amazon. I got it within 2 days. So if you're interested in buying cotton pads, if you want something good for yourself, definitely check those out. I'm just gonna grab anything that touches my hand because the box is full of products. So next up, Simple Skincare sent me their PR package. I have uploaded an Instagram story, but this is what they sent me, and there are a few other products which I will talk about it. So these are the cleansing facial wipes which they sent me. This is how it looks. I'm not gonna lie, it is perfect for sensitive skin. It does not remove waterproof makeup that nicely, I would say, but it does a decent job. I have dry skin, by the way. Now let's move on to Ileana Organics. So this is the cleansing gel which they have sent me. The packaging is really good. This is a cleansing balm which is called as Lights Out Cleanse and Rinse, and this is how it looks. Again, the packaging of this is very cute. I love it. So I haven't tried it yet. Just got to me, they just sent it to me this week, so I'll try it out and I'll let you know about it. Next up, my guilty pleasure. I bought five eyeshadow palettes this month, which is insane. I don't know what happened to me, but I'm really not happy about it. But there is a good news. So I don't know if you have seen my reel on how I save money and also buy more makeup. I got this combo from Nykaa, and this is a Makeup Revolution combo where you get 2 eyeshadow palettes for 950 rupees. These individually retail for 950, but in combo, if you get a combo, you will get it for 450 each, which is an insane thing. You are paying only for the one price of the palette, but you are getting 2 in hand. So I got this one. Let me open it and show you. And actually I'm running a giveaway on this exact palette on Instagram right now. So if you are interested in winning this palette, you should go and participate in the giveaway. This is like a perfect neutral toned eyeshadow. I had these colors in my eyeshadow palette, so I just bought it and I was like, maybe I'll include in the giveaway. And then the next one, I wanted to try this one from Makeup Revolution. This is the colorful eyeshadow palette. I wanted to try color everything. I mean, I have neutrals and I'm done with it. I want to try every color possible, so I bought this palette again for 950, like in the 950 combo. So yeah, that's the Makeup Revolution one. Now let's move on to what should we move on to? Okay, so I am doing this Navratri series on my channel, on my account Instagram. I bought 2 lenses. So this is I keep getting questions on what lenses I'm wearing, so I'm just gonna say it out here. I bought these by my own money, by the way, and again at the Makeup Revolution I bought it by myself. These are the Aqua color lenses. This is in the shade Mystery Hazel, and these are no number lenses. If you have prescription, you can. I also do have prescription, but I just prefer to buy the 01. And also these are, I think, for $2.99, I guess so. I'll just insert price so you can just know. So I got the Mystery Hazel one. I'll insert photo over here. You can see how it looks on me. And this is my favorite. This is the Spice Grey one out of this. Spice Gray is my absolute favorite. Again, it looks perfect. Again, this will last for only 1 month. So I got these ones from Aqua color from Lenskart. Okay, now along with that, I had like a, what can we say? I dropped the makeup. Again, for the Navratri series, I bought fake lashes. The lashes are not here, but I just want to show you. I got the pack 49 one and the pack 53 one. The 49 ones are very natural, very tinier, gives like a natural finish. I'll insert photos over here, you can see. And the 53 one are more dramatic. So I mean, I would say this was my first time wearing lashes. These were a bit harder because these are small. You cannot really hold them in your hands because they are so tiny. These ones, I like, it didn't take me long at all to apply. So yeah, bought these, and I think pack ones are the best lashes. I've seen so many reviews on Nykaa ones and people have said me not to buy the Nykaa ones, and then I bought the pack and I do not regret it. I love them. The pack 53 ones look crazy, as you can see in the images. Now again, let's move on to Simple. They sent me their sheet masks. It was included in the PR package, but just the thing is, it's deep down in the box. So there are a few of their sheet masks. Oops. So here are their sheet masks. I'm just gonna show you. So we have the Rich Moisture mask over here. Then we have the Pollution Protection mask, Pollution Protect sheet mask, and lastly we have the De-Stress sheet mask. So I have these. Again, I am going to include this in the giveaway pile. If you are interested in winning any of these giveaways or any of the products mentioned over here, some of them I will be giving away very soon in the future. So make sure you stick around to know what are the products which I will be giving away. Okay, so now I received a few more things from Arise Beauty. This is their Active Defense Day cream, and I got it in PR. This is how it looks. This is the cream. I'm actually not trying it yet because I am trying another moisturizer, so I might try it maybe after I'm done with that. So this is the one. I got it in PR. I think I mentioned that. Okay, now let's move on to Simple again. Let's finish it off with Simple. They have also sent me their moisturizing face wash, which is for sensitive skin type. Again, and then we have the lightweight moisturizer, which looks like this. So that's the product. So Face Shop, they sent me this PR kit. If you know, I have been wearing the sheet mask for like, I don't even remember, I would say 3 or 4 years now. They were running a combo offer on their sheet mask where you get 7 sheet masks for 525 rupees, and then they sent me 4 of their masks to promote it on Instagram, and this is what I received. You basically get face mask, sheet mask for your personality type. So there is a gym enthusiast one, and then there is a workaholic one. This is absolutely cute. I think I relate to this so much more. Then you have the Globetrotter one. This is also really cute. And lastly, you have a Cereal Chiller sheet mask combo. So you get all of these along with the pouch if you shop on Nykaa. And there are so many sheet masks. I mean, you know, I wear sheet masks like at least once a week. This is there. So yeah, I got this. So thank you so much, Face Shop. Now I got this lash glue from Miss Claire. I have heard that the pack glue is the best. I want to buy it, but it is out of stock everywhere. So I had to buy the Miss Claire one. I lost the cap somewhere, I don't know. But the thing is, I don't really like this glue because when I remove the product, bahut sara nikal jata hai, and then when the glue dries out, it becomes like black like this, which I don't really like. So I mean, I don't know, I just tissue ke sath maine rakh diya hai band karke. So yeah, that's it. I'm waiting for the pack ones to come in stock again so I can buy that. Now let's talk about these products which I bought. Again, I was running out of eyeliner. I bought the Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner. This is not a pen liner, but then I just wanted to try this out, and I sometimes really like a pot liner, so one can never really go wrong with it. so I bought this one. Then again with that I got this one as a free product. This is the Hyper Curl Waterproof Sample Price, like sample mascara. So I got this one. I actually have it already, but then sample free products never really hurt. This is the Too Faced mascara, Better Than Sex mascara, which I got for myself for I think 900 rupees. This is the smaller size. I can totally get the hype of this now. After I wore it, I can totally understand why people rave about it so freaking much. So I got that for 900 rupees. And lastly, I have this again. I don't know why there are also tiny products. Let me explain. I have a lot. When I say a lot, I have a lot of makeup, and I do not need like full size products because I know I can never get completely finish them. So hence one of the reasons why I do is keep buying small size products. They are economic. I know I can get to try many products because I am also saving money. I can buy any of the products as well. So I bought this one. This is the Madras Kapi lipstick, which I had, like, I think I had a few years ago. I finished it, and then I remembered how much I loved it, so I got this one. Again, I have so many nude lipsticks. I do not need an actual other one. Again, if I run out of this, I might buy the full size one. Like I said, I don't really need it. I have too many lipsticks right now. Okay, so the next one is Arise Beauty. I don't know if it's launched yet, but they are launching their mist right now. Mist, body mist. So they sent me their mist. This is the Lara Datta's Arise Beauty Cheerful Body Perfume Spray. This is how it looks, and this one is the Blissful one. Both of them smell really great, has a fresh scent. I'd say I love the Blissful ones more because it is fresher, and this is a bit more sweeter. I don't like sweet scents. So this isn't launched yet. I am hoping by the time this video goes live, the products are launched so I can talk about it in this video. So yeah, these retail for 249 rupees, and if you are interested, you can definitely check these out on Amazon. Their products are really great, especially the face washes and the toners are one of my favorite products. Okay, now let's move on to Myglam. Myglam sent again. I'm working with them on a monthly basis, so they sent me their few of their products, which is the Glam to Glamour 2-in-1 Fixing Shimmer Powder. So let me see. I think this is like an illuminating powder. Okay, I don't know if you can see over here. This is a new concept. I literally just opened it. So if you can see, there is a shimmer powder and a fixing powder, both of them over here. And if you open the first top, you get the shimmer powder with a puff, which is so cute. Wow. This is the puff, and let me close this and remove the fixing powder, and this is the fixing powder again with the puff. Wow, this is so innovative. This is a translucent powder which comes like that. Too many sheet masks at this point. So I have the Glow Iridescent Brightening Sheet Mask infused with rosehip vitamin E elixir. I got 2 of these, so that is that. I have nothing really to talk about. 3 other products from Myglam. This is the Jet Set Eyes. I think this is in eye kajal and an eyeliner, which is I'm excited about. This is how it, okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Let me put it down. This is how it looks. Again, if you remove it, it is like this. One great thing about it is that you just have to do this and it comes out, which is cool. Now let's move on to the Myglam Lit Glam lipstick, liquid lipstick. I have this one in the shade Micro Heating, and I love that product. Like, it smells great, it stays on great, the colors are very, very good. The Micro Heating one is like a very, what can we say, like a warm toned nude which has undertones of yellow. So if you really like warm nude lipsticks which has yellow undertones, you are going to love that shade. And I received this shade which is called as Ghosted. So this is how it looks. This is like a muted purple mauve lipstick. It's not really purple, completely purple, but like it's on the mauve side, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that's the lipstick Ghosted. Stay Defined Liquid Liner and HD Brow Powder. So this is like a 2-in-1 product again. This is the product you get. What is this one? So the liquid eyeliner is here, and then this is the brow powder. Let me open it. So you get the brow powder over here. Wow, this looks so intriguing. I am so excited to try this out. And here is the liquid eyeliner. It's again a 2-in-1 product, which is what I really like about Myglam. Wow, the tip is very defined. So yeah, that's the liquid eyeliner. As I mentioned, oh wait, no, there's one more. So I received again this nail paint from Myglam. Okay, so this is the lipstick. No, this is the nail paint from Myglam. Wow, this is the Wonderlust matte finish nail paint. I have to show it to you like this. Wait, I don't know if you can see. It looks very like shimmer-esque, but like it is like this iridescent color. It looks very dark on the camera, but it looks beautiful. I cannot wait to try it out. I said I'm gonna keep the best for the last. I am obsessed with eyeshadows, and literally colorful eyeshadows. I am past the nude phases. Like, I do wear neutral tones once in a while, but I love experimenting with color. I love color eyeshadows. And then I saw Nika. It is a brand. If you are not aware, Nika sells their eyeshadow palettes on Nykaa and Hawk makeup as well. I saw her release these. These are the newly launched like neon eyeshadow, like the colorful eyeshadow palettes, and I bought it immediately. I think I saw it and then bought it in like 5 minutes. These retail for, where is the price? $7.99 each. So you get eyeshadow palettes like this. If you buy it individually, you will get it for $7.99. Look at this eyeshadow palette. I mean, it is so beautiful. So you get for $7.99, but I bought it in a combo, and I got all of these for $1,199, which is 1,200. So I got each of these for 400 rupees if you see it in that way. And I got this one. This is the Oh Honey eyeshadow palette. Look at it. I mean, I love the colors in this. I have tried it out. I wore most of these eyeshadow palettes for my Navratri series, and these are one of my absolute favorite palettes. Like, I would say this is the shade Lucky Charm, the eyeshadow Lucky Charm, which has a lot of greens, darker green toned colors. If you love greens, you're going to love this shade. Eyeshadow palette, I keep saying the shade. And this is the Ocean Eyes one. There is also a red one available, but I haven't bought it. It wasn't available in this combo, and I have a lot of red toned lipsticks, red toned eyeshadow palettes. So I got this blue one. I fell in love the moment I bought these. I immediately tried it out and have been trying out since then. The pigmentation of these palettes is insane. I'm going to do a review. I would say I will do a definite full in-depth review on pigmentation, eyeshadow swatches, how it goes, blending, all of that very soon. But I bought it, and I would say I'm very, very, very impressed with this palette, and I cannot wait to see more of their launches so I can buy more. Not that I need more makeup. So yeah, that was it. That was my insanely huge makeup haul. I definitely do not need these many makeup and skincare products, especially in this 20 days of October. It's all of this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all of that stuff. If you're interested in winning some of these products, I am hosting a giveaway on my Instagram, so make sure you go over there and check out the rules. You might win some of these as well. Let me know what videos do you want me to make sure in the future, and I will see you next time. Till then, bye.